I think they all deserve a standing ovation, right? Thank you, kids. Thank you so much for doing this.
Let us give a big round of applause to our kids. They are all going to be part of our history because Dodasambam we don't install every 12 years or 5 years or anything. It is for 30, 40, 50, 60, we don't know. So you're all part of the history making today and coming here and singing and then getting the blessing of Sri Meenakshi. Thank you so much, kids. Wish you all very, very all the best. It was a wonderful day. Thank you and thank you, Madhura. Thank you, Madhura Shankar, and thank you so much. Yeah, being part of the celebration and in a short notice, she put together the whole thing and program and she did a phenomenal job. Let us give a big round of applause to Madhura Shankar.
One quick picture. Khalid, sir. Take it. One camera. Nana photographer. All faces visible. Look at. You guys ready? All other cameras fake. Thank you so much.
No, he's the one is behind the scenes.
Want to buy it again?
Kids are இருக்கும்போதே பேசுவா. நடுல வா. Kids, guys are
Test 1, 2, 3.
And I really want to thank my students and parents who stood by me. This took just 2 days to prepare everyone. In this short time of 2 days, these kids learnt almost closer to 5-6 songs. Thank you so much to my students and thank you so much to the parents who stood beside me in this to happen this in a very successful way. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
My son Sarvesh wants to talk about the Dodasambam a little bit. He prepared for the VHS kids. Just 1 minute, okay?
Namaste everyone. Today I'll talk about the Kodi Maram, also known as the Dwajastharam. An important part of Hindu temples, it has both spiritual and scientific significance. What is a Kodi Maram? The Kodi Maram, also known as the spine of the temple, is a tall flagpole near the entrance of Hindu temples, usually made of wood and covered with metal like gold, silver or brass. It connects devotees with the divine and marks the presence of the temple. Why do we have to be in the temple? It guides devotees to focus on devotion and reminds them to leave their ego outside before entering. It also serves as a sign that a temple is present and active. How often do we need to change them? The Kodi Maram is replaced only when necessary, often after decades or during temple renovations. every 12 or 60 years. What is the process of installing a Kodimaram? The installation process is sacred. It involves choosing strong wood like teak or jackfruit, covering it with metals for protection, performing special prayers, and raising it with Vedic chants. How to worship the Kodimaram? Devotees worship the Kodimaram by touching it and bowing before entering the temple. Some temples perform daily abhishekam with water, milk, and turmeric. During festivals, a sacred flag, Dwaga Padam, is hoisted. What gods will be on the Kodimaram? The top of the Kodimaram often has a symbol representing the temple's main deity, such as Nandi for Lord Shiva, Mayura the peacock for Lord Murugan, and Garuda for Lord Vishnu. What is the scientific significance of the Kodimaram? The metal covering acts as a lightning rod protecting the temple. Its height helps balance cosmic energy and creates a positive atmosphere. The metals used like copper and gold help purify the environment and neutralize the negative energy. The Kodimaram is more than just a flagpole. It's a symbol of devotion, tradition, and even science. Next time you visit a temple, take a moment to respect and understand its importance. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sarvesh. Fantastic it was. Thank you.
Own research.
Yeah, his own research. We just told him to prepare. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome.
Good job, guys.
One more round of applause for the kids. Thank you, Lakshmi, for your wonderful mirdangam. Good luck to you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, parents. Let us enjoy the lunch and then we'll go from there. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Copy all of us and send you.